Well, good morning and welcome to part 4 of my little YouTube series of the Moray Firth Harbours. And in this episode I'm hoping to show you footage of both Buckie and Findochty. For those that aren't in the know, just drop my pointer. For those not in the know, Findochty is spelt Findochty, but saying Findochty is not incorrect, but it'll show you to be perhaps an outsider. So it's pronounced Findochty. Buckie Harbour is a very significant harbour in Moray. It has 4 basins. I think I'm right in saying it was established in 1880. But now, of course, with the wind farms, the offshore wind farms out in the outer reaches of the Moray Firth, Buckie now serves as a port for the support vessels. So 3 miles to the east of Buckie is Findochty, and I think it was about 3 years later that Findochty was established as a harbour due to the decline of the fishing industry. And this is a story you'll hear me say over and over again. Most of the harbours along this coast are now for leisure craft, and there's quite a nice little marina in the 2 basins of Findochty Harbour. I'll just give you more information on the video. I'll put up captions and hopefully maybe more accurate dates or whatever. But I'll now show you on the map just where we're speaking about. Here is Buckie, and that is the first of the 2 harbours on this video I'll be showing you. And then just 3 miles, as I say, to the east is Findochty. In between there is a small settlement called Portesi. Now, there were plans to build a harbour there, but it never came to be. And Portesi actually was established by fisher folk from Findhorn. But as I say, that doesn't have a harbour, so I'll just pass that one by.
Trying hard to find some new peace of mind, try me. There's things you have our seeds are sown, they'll come to find a home in you. I'll take the path I chose, 'cause I've found a way to know in you. Think about it all as you welcome each new day. Step back, wish the world away. Think about it all side of a friend as the days pass by. Oh, do you hear me? Oh, do you hear me? From the deepest pool where the rivers cry. Oh, do you hear me? Oh, do you hear me? From the deepest pool where the rivers cry. Where the rivers cry. Where the rivers cry. Where the rivers cry. I thought I'd seen beauty till I saw them be. You've never seen the mountains at the dawn in a day. You felt so guilty that you stood in awe. You felt so humble at the sight that you saw. Really Donegal, you welcomed me between her mountains and her clear blue sea, telling stories with history and eyes. Round up the fire as the tired sun dies. Whoa, whoa, this is the life for me. Whoa, whoa, this is reality. Green castles, showers, oh, they're so close to home. A million miles from the world that I've known. Mile after mile of golden white sand, and a night on the beach behind the sound of the band. Whoa, whoa, this is the life for me. Whoa, whoa, this is reality. Whoa, whoa, this is the life for me. Whoa, whoa, this is reality. Back again in the land of the gun. The bashful moon hides behind the sun. The moon's left alone in its heavenly bed. It starts to talk to the stars instead. Says that whoa,